Good morning and welcome to Optimum RV. My name is Kent Teslo and we're in sunny Ocala, Florida. This morning I'm going to share with you the V Lite by Flagstaff. This is an all fiberglass travel trailer. Has a V nose on the front. Comes equipped with power leveling system. Has outdoor speakers, frameless windows, aluminum alloy wheels. The model that I'm showing you is the 27VRL. Let's have a look inside. Before we do, here's a nice big awning. Power awning comes with the unit. As we enter, there's two nice rocker recliner chairs. We have solid surface countertops. Nice love seat. Dinette set. Here's your entertainment center with sound bar. Lots of storage. Stainless steel sink and faucet. Here's your oven, vent, and microwave. Nice fridge, additional storage. Here's your walk-through bathroom, or bedroom, sorry. Here's all your extra goodies that come with your unit. Lots of storage above the bed. And a nice big bathroom. The huge shower. Once again, my name is Kent Teslo and I'm with Optimum RV. You can reach me at 352-363-8615 or at www.optimumrv.com.